Hey guys, this is Vince from Text, and today I'll be showing you how to make loquat jam out of loquats. So what you are going to need is some sugar, loquats, a jar to put your jam in once you finish, some lemon juice, and water, and of course a pan. So you have a pan, and make sure it's pretty big, and so we have about 5 cups of loquats, and put it in the pan. And take about half as much as loquats. So put, half as much sugar as the loquats, which is about 2.5 cups of sugar, which I will measure right now. Which is this whole bag. And I will put this in. And I'll put 1/4 of the loquats of water, or half of the sugar of water, which is around 1.5 cups. We will also put that in. And then finally put a little bit of drops of lemon juice. I can't open this. Okay, put like 2 or 3 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 4. And then start the fire. And put it at like medium heat. And let it simmer for like 1 to 2 hours. And just come back when it's bubbling.
A few moments later. A few moments later.
So after it starts bubbling up this much and it's pretty squishy, and you can start crushing it. And I forgot to mention about the seeds. You should cut this beforehand, before putting them in. So before I put it in the jar, I'm going to try to take out all the seeds. So we took out all the seeds, and it took about like 10 minutes, and they're all over here. And now we're just trying to crush it as much as we can. And our little spoon was too thin, so I'm using a cup or a mug. And we gotta do it fast before it gets too hot. And yeah, it's a really smart idea. So this is about 10 minutes of mixing at full temperature. And I think you need to mix like another 10 minutes for it to become jam, or around there. And if you do more, I think it's going to get burnt. So just do about 20 minutes full temperature after you crush it all up. So this is about like 20 minutes of mixing. It kind of seems like jam, but it's kind of thick. But it's still going to taste really good. I'll try a bit. It's hot, but really good. I'm gonna start putting the jam in. Oh, that's hot. In the jar. Hope I don't drop any. See how steamy that is? It's really hot. It's been on the stove for over 2 hours straight. Yeah. So now let me wipe off the sides. Close it. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Stay safe and healthy.